What's going on, guys? Chris Palm here, bringing you guys another video. Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use your phone as a webcam on your computer through programs like OBS Studio, Streamlabs OBS, Zoom, Discord, and more.
Look, see, I remember when I met you as a sophomore. Started out as friends, but I knew that we would want more. Hit your favorite restaurant with your favorite dress on.
Alrighty, guys, so a little background with what this program is, what it does, and the capabilities of it. Basically, it's a program called EPODCAM you download on your phone and your computer, and it links through your Wi-Fi and sends the video footage through your Wi-Fi on the same connection. So I'm going to basically show you guys how this works and kind of what you could use it for. Like if you don't have a webcam, this would be very useful. Or if you want to set up basically a second webcam as like maybe a keyboard cam on your live streams or whatever you want to do. A cat stream, like if you have a cat bed, you can set up your phone right next to your cat and they can watch your cat while you're live streaming. So there's an idea for you guys. There's some content. So anyways, I'm going to basically give you guys a demonstration of how this works. It's pretty sick and very easy to set up. So once you're done with it, it's basically going to look like this. I'll lift up my phone. There you go. Ignore that I don't have a monitor here. I'm in the process of moving in, so I don't have two monitors. So I just set up one monitor right here and then that's it. So ignore that. All right, guys, let's go ahead and hop into the website we need to go to, and let's hop into this tutorial. Now, if you guys do find this video useful, make sure you guys do smash that like button because it helps me out a lot for the YouTube algorithm. Hit the subscribe button if you're new. Hit that bell if you guys want more videos like this and get notifications for that. And if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll get back to you guys in the comments as soon as I can. Sounds like a voicemail. Alright, guys, so now I'm on my phone. I'm going to show you how to download this app. You're basically just going to go to your app store, type in EPODCAM. Once you do that, just hit search. So go ahead and click the top option that appears. It's the one I have on the screen right now. Once you pull that up, go ahead and download it to your phone. Alright, so now go ahead, once it's downloaded, open up the app. You'll see the first step is to send your computer or your email a download link to download the drivers for your PC. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Type in your email, send it to whatever email is easy for you. Once you do that, you'll get an email into your email address. So now we're going to go over to our computer and finish the rest. All right, so now we're going to go to our email and open up the link that was in our email address. Once you do that, you'll get taken to this page. You're going to go ahead and click this prompt right here, find EPODCAM, and click it. Once you click that, you're going to scroll down at the bottom of the page and click the blue download link. Once you do that, go ahead and open the file we just downloaded. You'll get a prompt that basically is just an admin prompt. You're going to click yes on that prompt. And now we're going to start installing this software. So just go ahead and click next, click I agree, all that stuff. You can choose where you want to install it. I just did the default. And then click finish. Alright, so now we're back on our phone. Basically what we're going to do is just make sure your phone and your computer are on the same network connection. You can also connect your phone through USB to your computer and it'll still work the same way. Once you do that, you can go ahead and click next. Alright, so next you're just going to basically give the app access to your camera and microphone. That way you'll be able to get the footage on your computer. And now your phone is set up. As you can see the camera through this app. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and hop straight onto the computer and finish this up. Alright, so the last step is to go to whatever software you're using your phone as a webcam for. Once you do that, you're just going to basically select EPODCAM as an input device for your camera. Once you do that, you should be good to go. Just keep the app open on your phone and it'll keep working. If you close the app, it'll stop working, but as soon as you open it back up, it'll automatically start working again. So as you can see, I'm creating a video source and selecting EPODCAM right here. Once I do that, it automatically works, and you can see that my phone is now working as a webcam on my computer. If you guys do have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments, and I will try to help you guys out. If you guys have any suggestions for a future tutorial or other video, please let me know in the comments. Join my Discord server if you guys would like to join the community. With that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace out.